Good morning, students. Welcome to the class again. Dear students, as we all know that our topic active and passive voice is going on, and we have already discussed about the changing of present, past and future tense of active voice into passive voice. And now today we are going to discuss about the changing of voice of sentence with the modal auxiliary verbs and imperative sentence into passive voice. Now, dear students, you all know what are the auxiliary verbs. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, etc. are the auxiliaries. When we have the sentences with modal auxiliary verbs, then, for example, the structure of active voice of modal auxiliary verb is subject, modal auxiliary verbs, first form of verb, and object. For example, I can write a letter. This is the active voice using modal auxiliary verb, and when we change this active voice using modal auxiliary verbs into passive voice, the structure will be subject plus modal auxiliary verbs plus third form of verb plus by plus object. So when we change this sentence, I can write a letter into passive voice, this will become a letter can be written by me. A letter can be written by me. So I is the subject in this, can is the modal auxiliary verb, and write is the main verb, and a letter is the object here. So a letter becomes the subject. So it becomes a letter can be written by me. So dear students, I hope you have very well understood about the changing of sentence using modal auxiliary verbs into passive voice. Now dear students, we will discuss about the changing voice of imperative sentences. You all know that imperative sentences expresses the command, order, advice or request, etc. For example, switch on the light, don't insult the poor. These are the imperative sentences. Okay, when we change these type of sentences into passive voice, the structure of passive voice will be, we can change these sentences to two types. Firstly, let plus main word means subject plus be plus third form of verb, and second is according to the expression. We can change you are ordered, you are requested, you are advised plus to plus first form of verb, and then we use object. Now when we change these imperative sentences into passive voice, these will become, firstly, see the first sentence, switch on the light. According to first type, we can change it, let the light be switched on. Let the light be switched on. And according to second type, we can change it, you are requested, because it is expressing the request. Okay, you are requested to switch on the light. Now see the second sentence, don't insult the poor. According to first type, we can change it, let the poor not be insulted. And according to second type, we can change it, you are advised, because it is expressing advice, so we use advised here. You are requested not to insult the poor. You are advised not to insult the poor. Okay, now I hope you have understood the changing of imperative sentence into passive voice and the sentences with modal auxiliary verbs into passive voice. Now we will do the practice. Okay students, so these are some sentences in front of you, and we can take these sentences as practice. And in these sentences there are the sentences of modal auxiliary verbs using modal auxiliary verbs, and the imperative sentences are also there. So take the first sentence. First sentence is open the door. First of all, we have to recognize which type of sentence is this. This is an imperative sentence. So according to first type, we can change it into passive voice, let the door be opened. And according to second type, we can change it, you are ordered to open the door. Now see the second sentence, you can learn this lesson. So this is the sentence using modal auxiliary verb. Can is given here, so we can change this. This lesson can be learned by you. Third form of verb of learn is learned. Now see the third sentence. The teacher should be punish him. The teacher is the subject here. Should is the modal auxiliary verb and punish is the main verb and him is the object here. So when we change this active voice into passive voice, him become the subject. So we change him into he. He should be punished by the teacher. He should be punished by the teacher. Now see the last sentence. Open the window, please. So please is given here. So from please we can understand that this is expressing request according to first time, and this is the imperative sentence. According to first time, we can change this sentence, let the window be opened please. And according to second type, we can change this sentence, you are requested to open the window. You are requested to open the window. So dear student, I hope you have understood these things very well. Keep on practicing. Thank you very much, dear students.